Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the language in this device. For this, go to settings, tap on the option general, then scroll down. Here you can see the option language and region. Tap on this one. So here you can see the language. Now there is only one language is selected to this device. If you want to add more, then here you can see one more option, add language. Tap on this one and you can see lots of languages you can see here. Otherwise you can search your language here. So simply here I am going to select the language Hindi. Tap on this one. You can see use Hindi, otherwise use English. Okay, now the English is selected to this device. If you just for this add this language to this device, you can select the option use English. If you want to set the language to your device, then select the option use then your language. So here I am going to select the option use Hindi. You can see the language is changed. You can see. Okay, so simply in this way you can change the language in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.